You can't draw people. I know. You suck at it, right? Wrong. You don't suck at it. You just never gave yourself the permission to practice. Hi, my name is Fatih, but you can call me Fab. I'm an artist, online teacher, productivity enthusiast, and a recovering procrastinator. I draw, paint, and show people how they can do the same. That's why I have over 20 classes showing me doing just that. This is my 5th class on no effort sketch journaling, the others being no effort sketch journaling, no effort compositions, no effort drawing, no effort painting, and now no effort people. This class was highly required by all of you as this was the result of the little marketing research I did. And I can understand why. Drawing people is tricky. A wonky building is just fine, but a wonky son or a partner is harder to share with people. Because people have feelings and they say things like, "Is this how you see me?" And I get that. On the other hand, a building doesn't give up. Yet, people are everywhere. We keep sketch journals to stay creative and look for something inspiring to draw. A beautiful street, there are people there. A coffee shop, there are people there. My birthday, there are people there too. It is as if you can't even avoid people anymore these days. So, being able to draw people opens many possibilities for your sketch journals and your creative journey. That's why I wanted to make this class, because I am just like you. I can't draw people. At least that's what I told myself for years. The only difference between you and me, I do it anyway. And it's fine. Some of them are better than the others, but none of them are bad. Because remember, there are no bad drawings. Some of them turned out to be the best thing I have ever drawn. Some of them, not so much. But you can't just hop to the top of the stairs. You have to take every single step, at least every other step, if you want to reach to the upper floor. And guess what? In this incredible analogy I created, there are no lifts. No lifts. Everyone has to take the stairs. By showing you that it's okay to draw people in any way you can, I want to remove the stress and allow you to practice so you can actually get better at it. This class, like all my other classes, is for everyone. You don't need any experience or skills. If you enjoy keeping a sketch journal and want to draw people the way I do, this class is for you. The more advanced students who want to pick up my style are welcome too. During the class, we will look at many situations where you might want to draw people on your sketch journal, like people in the background, people in the foreground as a main or secondary subject, self-portraits, full and partial body compositions, clothing, and faces. What? I should mention eyes, lips, and hair. I think they know what a face consists of, Jack.
We know what a face consists of.
Your class project is somewhat special. So basically I want you to draw people, but for more details, make sure to check the next video. This is gonna be great. Let's go!